a patient who came with a history of fall, riding a bike, and had an injury, had a lateral clavicle fracture. He was a juvenile diabetes, very thin. The tissue quality, everything was an osteoporotic and thin person, young patient, but a highly active person. So this is the X-ray he's come with. So fracture lateral end clavicle. So you can see it is shattered in multiple pieces. Yeah, and also there is some calcification supraspinatus, for which he was not having any symptoms priorly.
So one second, Hemant, you went to Bangkok to operate? Bangkok?
No, he was riding a bike there, so that's why he had a right.
I hope you're not hiding something from us.
right. No. So no, the Thailand, yeah. So this is what he had, yeah. So now the topic is think, decide, and defend. So now I have to start thinking, okay, what should I do with this sort of a fracture? So option was
to the audience, how many would conserve this? How many would operate this? I would always operate. Yeah, anybody for conservative, even I would. Oh, wow. It's a very, very high number for conservative.
No, MRI, because he directly came from Bangkok and got admitted.
Sir, there is
directly.
Sir, about coracoclavicular injury, there is a fracture which of the inferior part where the coracoclavicular ligament
is attached to that.
So ligament is not broken, but that part which is avulsed because the coracoclavicular ligament is holding it back.
So conserve.
How do you conserve? What do you do to conserve this?
Yeah.
So any conservative surgeons would sling. Karkhani sir would put in a sling for 4 weeks and then allow gentle mobilization as pain did. So you put that Robert Jones
strap. Yeah, possible, but usually very thin patient, asthenic, they usually have trouble with the skin issues, with RJ strap. So he had a CT scan done, which shows the various fragments. This is probably an anterior view. Multifragmentary. Now question of fixing also would be this thing. Now the inferior fragment. This is a large inferior fragment which is holding your the ligaments, trapezoid and conoid. Now this is a nearest classification. Now we're trying to find which type it will go into. Type 5, which is it goes inferior fragment. So it's a very severe type of injury. So that's why it was decided that we should operate. Now, what to do? That was a question. We have choice here. Either we go to a screw, which is like a Bosworth type screw, and fix it, or you can use as the previous speaker has said, the Mercilin tape and others. Other options are the hook plate and adjustable loop. So all these are viable options. So these were the consideration in my mind, how I would do that, and using the anatomical plate, which with a locking screw for the distal fragment. Only trouble with the lateral distal fragment was that it was in multiple pieces. So hold in the distal fragment would have been an issue. So these were the choice of implants that we had considered. Hook plates I have not used. I don't know how many people have used the hook plates or so, and if they are happy with it or not. But I don't have it.
How many are using hook plates regularly? But you used. I have never used a single one.
Yeah, I have not used as well. So
Hook plate, where there's a combinated lateral fragment.
Yeah, and if you want to just do a clavicular fixation, that clavically that there is not good enough bone stock to do a clavicular fixation.
Where is good enough?
We need to get if we were to tie it,
Yeah.
we may fracture it. So if at all someone want to do, this would be the fracture that you want.
Okay. So anyways, if you have now no experience of using it, don't try and do it, our first time around. Either way, you call somebody who has got the experience and do it, or do what you are familiar and what works in your hand. So this is what I did. So I put an anatomical plate, but to get that ligaments fixed, I used a Bosworth type of screw. So now it's a time. Slightly, it is slightly. I accept that. True. So
This is a follow-up X-ray. It's not immediate post-op.
not immediately for that. It is after a few days. It is a few days. So I do accept the plate is riding high, but bone is in alignment. Yeah. Yeah, bone is in alignment. Why I am familiar with the Bosworth screw? Because I trained in England, which is in Twickenham, which is like how Shivaji Park is for cricket. Twickenham is a rugby mecca. So every week we used to do Bosworth screw, because the rugby scrum player used to come, and AC joint dislocation was so common. Me and my co-registrar Farhad Tarapurwala, every week we were operating with Bosworth screw. People have talked about in previous talks about the problems with Bosworth screw, but that was not our experience. The Bosworth screw worked very well. I don't think so I ever saw broken Bosworth screw, and 80 to 90% wouldn't come back for removal. You fix the screw, they go back to rugby, they do everything, and we didn't have the problem at that time. So that is what I was familiar with, so that's why I chose to do a Bosworth screw. It was an option, but at that time, that time that tiger button, which is the double, it was not available. Only dog button of Arthrex was available. But to get the dog button, you require a further dissection down and all that. Since he was diabetic with a very poor tissue quality, then I decided, Marcelin tape. Again, to get around to coracoid, I would have to dissect more. Yeah. So that's why, how I defined myself is that because we were a diabetic with thin tissue, poor quality, we decided minimal dissection and reduction. Yeah. So this was done about 8 months back, and he had this plate removal done about 1 week ago, and he sent me the pictures. And I had asked him to send me a CT scan to check whether it has united or not. But now he got operated in Dubai. He couldn't come back because of the war situation and all that, and got operated. And there the doctor did not go for CT scan because they say they were quite happy with the union, and they removed the plate, and these were the post-op images after the surgery. So that's it.
So did he get full movement at the end of all this?
He just 1 week post-op,
after
yeah.
surgery,
Surgery, he was quite happy with the movements and everything, yeah. And unfortunately, I was going through the literature. There are not many publications on type 5, fractures. Or mostly those publications for lateral end are for type 2. Type 5, hardly any papers I could find. Okay, thank you.
Bye.